Delicious, simple, easy to make, full of flavors, crispy, crunchy, and an all-time favorite, Idli Fingers. Welcome to water gravy. For the preparation, you will need idli batter. Remove the plates from the plate idli or Thatte idli stand. Smear oil lightly. Line with a banana leaf. If you do not have banana leaf, just grease the plates with oil and pour the batter. Banana leaf gives a nice flavor to the idli and is also nutritious. Pour 3 to 4 ladles of idli batter into the plates. I am pouring the idlis into plates as I want larger sized idli fingers. It can also be done by pouring in normal idli molds. Heat the idli pan with water. When the water starts boiling, place the idli stand. Ensure that the plates are well secured. Steam for around 10 minutes or until done. Open the idli pot. Insert a sharp instrument to check if the idlis are done. No batter sticking to it. Switch off the stove. Take the stand out. Open it. Allow it to cool. Use a blunt knife to slightly loosen the edges and invert it. Remove the banana leaf. Now cut the cooled idlis into long, thin strips. Heat oil in a pan. I am using cold pressed groundnut oil. When the oil becomes hot, add the idli fingers. Keep turning the idli fingers in between so that they get uniformly fried. Fry until they turn golden brown and remove. Once all the idli fingers are fried, add a handful of curry leaves. Fry until they turn crisp and remove. To prepare the powders for coating, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of red chilli powder to a plate. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of black pepper powder to another. And 2 to 3 teaspoons of idli chilli powder, or what we call gunpowder, to another plate. Add salt to the red chilli powder and black pepper powder and mix well. The idli chilli powder has already got salt in it, so additional salt is not required. Mix the fried curry leaves to the idli chilli powder. This gives it a really nice flavor. Divide fried idli fingers into 4 portions. 1 portion of the fried idli fingers are going to be served plain. Coat 1 portion with the red chilli powder salt mix. The second portion with the black pepper powder salt mix. The third portion with the idli chilli powder curry leaves mix. These idli fingers are really crunchy, crisp on the outside and soft inside. Serve with mint coriander chutney, coconut chutney, sauce or any accompaniment of your choice. What is your favorite idli snack? Do drop your comments below. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe. To get notified on new videos, press the bell icon. We'll meet you on Friday with another interesting recipe. To explore more interesting recipes, check out the other videos.